So today we're going to be showing you what $100 invested into the S&P 500 every single month is going to do for you as far as growth. So let's go ahead and take a look and plug all these numbers in. So we're going to start with our balance at $100. We're going to do an annual dividend yield of 1.32, and I'm getting this information from seekingalpha.com. We're looking at VOO for this example, and their current dividend yield is 1.32. And then we're going to be doing an annual contribution of $1,200, which is, of course, $100 a month. Expected annual dividend increase, I put 5%. This one is actually 6.8, so or 6.08, so I'm going to actually change that real quick. So 6.08, and then we're going to do a frequency distribution quarterly, and then we're going to also do annual share increase of about 8%. We're going to reinvest the dividends we earn in here, and we're going to start off with investing for 5 years, and then we're going to see what it's going to be like for 10, 20, and even 30 years. All right, so let's go ahead and calculate and see how that's going to turn out for us in the first 5 years. So you can see right here, after 5 years, you actually have an ending balance of about $7,346, 20% return over that 5 years. You can see you've earned dividend income of an annual $89.05 during that fifth year, and then total dividends earned was about $171.88. Let's go ahead and see how much 10 years is going to have an impact on us with all these numbers, because compounding interest, of course, is going to work in your favor. So check this out. In 10 years, we're going to have about $18,478, and this is still accounting for $1,200 every single month. So you can see right over here, so $1,200. So that's $12,000 that you're going to be putting in that time period, where everything else after that is essentially growth for you. So you can see how all that's going to change here for you, which is that 50% return right there for you. You'll earn an annual dividend of over $200, and you have total earned over that 10-year period $832. Now let's go ahead and see how 20 years impacts you, because this is going to start getting definitely a little bit more impactful for you when it comes to time. Now you can see right over here, after 20 years, you're looking at over $60,000, earning a total return of 154%. Your annual dividend will be about $500, and then your total dividends would be about $4,300. And then again, you can see here, this is just continuing to invest only $100 a month or $1,200 annually, and how this has a huge impact on you down the road as it keeps compounding. Your yield on cost in 20 years would be 2.27 for the dividend, and you can just see that impact. So let's go and see how 30 years is going to do this for you, and how that's going to change all these numbers even more. So in 30 years, investing $100 at the beginning and then $1,200 annually, or $100 a month, you're going to be left with $160,000, which is a 341% on your money. You're going to be seeing about $1,200 annual dividend income, which is a little over $100 every single month, and your total dividends would be about $12,600 with a yield of 3.29. And again, that is just adding in $1,200 every month. So if we actually bring up a calculator, so 1,200 times 30, you're looking at investing $36,000 over that 30-year time period and getting over $160,000. Now, if you're somebody who wants to start investing with your dividends and investing $100 every single month, I would recommend M1 Finance, which is what I use right over here. I'll link them in the show notes down below for you. You get a nice sign-up bonus for using my link, and you get more free content just like this. Now, next up, I actually want you to click on this video right over here so you can keep on learning and growing with your investments.